What is up, ADG traders? This is Munya, and welcome back again to my trading channel. Now, today we're going to look at this strategy that managed to grow my account from $50 all the way up to $180 just using this simple strategy. As you can see, these are some of the trades that I actually managed to take while it's using this strategy that you see on my screen. And today we're going to set it up together, and then we're going to look at how it actually works. And I'm going to introduce to you guys some live examples and some live situations in which you could use this strategy to make some profits. If you're new to this channel, I post daily here on this channel trading tips, trading strategies, and anything that is going to help you grow in your trading journey. So if you want to be part of the team, we're currently on a 100-day trading challenge whereby we are trading each and every single day for the next 100 days to make sure that we improve our trading journey. So if you want to be part of that group, make sure you subscribe and you like this video. You can also comment down below to be added to a WhatsApp group where we're actually learning and growing and trying to grow together, trying to grow these accounts together. As you can see, these are live trades, and we're actually managing to withdraw some funds. So if you want to make at least $100 a day trading boom and crash, try and follow this strategy, try and understand this strategy or any other strategies that are here on this YouTube channel. You can check my previous videos where I was explaining some concepts that you can also incorporate in your trading. Okay, so what you see right here is a very simple moving average strategy. We're only just going to be using some moving averages, nothing else, and we're going to try and predict the next move that the market is about to do. Okay, of course, you need to have a strong trading background before you start using these strategies. I recommend you learn price action. It is very essential for you on your technical side, and if you have no one that can teach you price action, please come to us. Let us help you grow in price action. Let us help you grow your skills. Okay, we'll help you use price action and indicators at the same time to make these kinds of profits. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, as usual, I'm going to remove all these indicators, and we are going to have a step-by-step process of installing this strategy. As you can see right now, we are on crash 500 and we're in our 5-minute time frame. There's nothing on my charts as of yet, and we're going to install each and every indicator that we need for this strategy. Remember, we're also going to be incorporating price action, so make sure you have your price action ready. Okay, so the first indicator I want to install is called like I said, they're all moving averages, but the first moving averages that we want to install has got the following properties. We've got a period of 55, a shift of 0. The method is exponential, apply to close, and there are no levels on this indicator. You can allow it to appear on all time frames, and on our style, I chose the color black for this indicator. Okay, so we're going to click done, and as you can see, we now have a black moving average on our main chart. Okay, once we're done with that, we're going to go to our indicators. Now here you need to really pay close attention, because what you're going to do is going to be very different from what we normally do. We're going to go back to our main window. This time we're going to click on an indicator called the relative strength index, which is right here, and I'll just click on the default settings because you're not really going to be using it, so I'll just leave the properties as they are, and I'm going to click done. And as you can see, I'll have an indicator window created at the bottom right there. Okay, the next thing that you need to do is to go back to your indicators, click where it says indicator window 1, go to moving average, and we're going to add a moving average with the following properties. You're going to need a period of 55, a shift of 0, a method of exponential, apply to close. The levels, they're not needed for this one, and on visualization again, can allow it to appear on all time frames. And the color or the style, I'm going to choose this green color right here, and I'm going to click on done. Now, as you can see, we now have this green line at the bottom right here next to this black line. Going back to our indicator section, I'm going to delete this relative strength index. Okay, so I'm just going to delete it. Then click where it says indicator 1, add a moving average, change this period to 200. Right, the shift to remain as 0, the method will remain as exponential. Apply to close. The levels are not necessary again. And then on visualization, again, allow it on all time frames. And then I'll change the color for this indicator to red. You can click any other color of your choice or pick any color of your choice. And then I'm going to click where it says done. And as you can see, I'll have that red line running across my charts. Okay, now that I have successfully installed the strategy, we need to get to understand some rules for this strategy. Okay, number one rule is we're going to be using the third smallest zoom level. Okay, so this is the smallest zoom level. As you can see, we can't get it any smaller. So if I move 1, let me start again, sorry, 1, 2, 3, I've moved 3 zoom levels. This is exactly what we want, right? So when you're now using the third zoom level for this strategy, we can then go to our 15-minute time frame or our 5-minute time frame. That is where we're going to be getting our entries. I really prefer to go on the 15-minute time frame because it's actually more accurate. It's very slow. You get fewer entries per day, but you get some really accurate entries because you really are following the trend. But if you want more frequent entries in a day, then you can go to the 5-minute time frame and do exactly the same rules that I'm going to share with you in a moment right here. But before we do all that, please make sure you have subscribed, you like this video, and you comment down below if you want to stand a chance to be added to our VIP Signals group for 30 days for free. I'm going to be picking one winner each and every time I post a video, and you'll be able to get some of my entries that I'm entering into. Some of these trades that you see right here, you'll be able to also catch them and make some profit. So all you have to do is to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and send me a screenshot on my WhatsApp number. I'll leave my number in the description box below. It will be in our Telegram channel. Actually, there'll be a link that you can click and it'll take you straight to our Telegram channel where you'll be able to see my contact details if you want to talk to me directly, or you will be able to see my trading results, my students trading results, that VIP group results, and all things related to trading that can help you trade. You'll be able to access all that for free. Just click the link in the description box below and it will take you straight to that Telegram channel. Okay, so if you want to be part of that as well, to see to be mentored, we do offer mentorship. If you want to account management, we do offer that as well. Feel free to ask us all about those services. Like I said, my number will be in our Telegram channel. Okay, so going back to this strategy, how do you then trade with this strategy? Like I said, I'm going to be using the 15-minute time frame because that is the one that I prefer, but you can also try it on all other time frames and see, depending on what type of a trader you are. Okay, so how do you trade? You can go against spikes and you can go in line with spikes. Okay, you can do spike catching and you can also go against the spikes. Okay, but you know me, I prefer to go against the spikes. So I'm going to start off with those rules first. And so some of you, it is pretty much almost self-explanatory. The first thing that I want to see is I want to see my green and red line crossing each other at the bottom right there. Okay, it doesn't matter at what level. The moment I see them, the green and the red line approaching each other, I know that there's something that is about to happen in the market. The moment they draw close to each other like that, I know that we're going to have a new cycle or we're going to have a cycle continuation. Okay, remember I said you also need to have background knowledge on price action for you to effectively use this strategy. Okay, that's the first thing. My second rule is I want to see a break of market structure on my main chart, and usually it is when candlesticks cross to be above or to be below that black line. If you go above, I'm usually sure that we are in an uptrend, because that's my EMA 55, which is usually following the trend if you know your indicators. So that one as well will be my trigger for and buy opportunities. I'll then also look at my market structure. I can already see that there is this candlestick pattern, and it is also confirming to my buy positions. I can also see that we faced some support there, and this was also some form of resistance, of a resistant point, which the market structure was looking forward to break. And as you can see, the moment we did break that level, we went all the way up. Okay, so this is how you actually trade with the strategy to make this kind of profits. Let's take a look at Boom 500 and see how else can we also use it. Okay, like I said, I'll just look for when these two lines are approaching each other, whether it's at the top, at the middle, or the bottom. And then once I have realized that, I'll then also go to my chart and look at some price action as well. I can see that we were coming from this high, and the market was sort of like pushing down. But remember, the final entry will come when we see a break of market structure, which happened here. We see candlesticks crossing to be below our black moving average and trying to push down. Okay, once I've seen that, you can also wait for other confirmations. You can also see that this high failed to break this previous high, and also this high failed to break our previous high at the top right there, which we had marked at the beginning. So we are now sure that we are about to sell, and as you can see, the market sold all the way down just like that. We can go on and on and on at looking at those positions, but it's pretty much easy. I was just pointing to you guys some pretty much obvious trades, but now let's look at some spike catching trades. As usual, I'll obviously mark my lowest point, which is that point. This is my lowest, right? I'll also look at my lines, and I can see that there's something that's about to happen there. My lines are now too close to each other. I can see spikes occurring, right? And to the point where we break this moving average, this black moving average, right? Which is a break of market structure. We see a pullback, but it does not break our previous low that we had marked out. So we're good. We're still in that uptrend. So actually going to place some trades anyway at this point. And as you can see, that buy trade went up and up and up. Okay, the same thing can be done again on, can you see this nice entry? This was really nice. Lines close together, break of market structure, and we went all the way up. So sometimes you really just have to trust your strategy. It doesn't mean that you won't lose, but the accuracy rate is really, really high. Remember, there's nothing that is 100% accurate, but we can get over 95% accuracy, 99% accuracy, and that is still fine. Okay, if you want to understand and learn more, make sure you are in our 100 days daily trading challenge. It's completely free again to join. It's for the subscribers, for the people that like this video, and for the people that comment in the comment section down below. Okay, so make sure you get it out for free. Again, we now have a new TikTok account. I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to check out our strategies on that platform and get to understand trading way better. Until next time.